Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Skizito and what I do is I solve coding challenges that may be asked in a technical interview. Today we're going to program in Python and we are going to build something called an anagram function. What is an anagram? Well, pretty much an anagram is whenever a word can spell another word. For example, doom can also spell mood, and speed can spell deeps backward. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now there's a couple of tricks that we need to add. The first is a module called RE. So let's import it. RE. What is RE? Well, RE is a regular expression module, and it comes with a couple of helper methods in it. The helper method that we're going to use is sub. Sub has three arguments that they'll take. The regular expression itself, the string that you're going to replace it with, and then the string that you're going to be telling this helper method to change. We're going to need list. List just converts a string into an array, pretty much. It kind of looks like an array in JavaScript. So we're going to need list. We're going to need the module RE, which is regular expression. That also gives you a couple of helper methods. And we're also going to use the helper method lower, which lowercases any uppercase letter in a string, like high. It'll be converted into a lowercase h and b, just high. Alright, so now that we got that explained, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we need to do is create a function called Anagram. So let's type in def anagram, and in this function we're going to give it two parameters. The first parameter, I'm going to call it STRA, and the second parameter I'm going to call it STRB. Alright, and then I'm sort of thinking ahead of time. We're going to create a function called clean up, and then it's going to take in the first argument, which is string A, and then we're going to compare it with string B. So pretty much it's going to say the string A match with string B, and if it does, it will return true or false. Alright. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the second function, which we've already named above. Pretty much it's called cleanup, and it's going to have one parameter. We're just going to call it st for short for string. Alright, and then here we're going to declare a variable called str setup and give it a value. Alright, here's when we're going to use the regular expression and the helper method that comes with it, sub. So here we're just going to type in re.sub, open and close parentheses, and then inside here we will type in the regular expression. So we're going to type this, we're going to add this here, the \w Alright, then the next thing we need to do is add a comma and say we're going to change it into an empty string. So far what's going on is this regular expression is saying any continuous non-character, we're going to convert it into an empty string. In the third argument, it's going to just take in the string, and it will change based off of the regular expression. So right now, the regular expression is saying any non-word will be converted into an empty string. All right, now this is set. We need to also lowercase all the characters or all the letters in the string. Sometimes the user might type in an uppercase letter like I or hi from the beginning of a sentence. All right, and then after that, we need to also turn this string into a list. And then voila, there we go. After that, we need to sort this string set. How do we do that? All we need to do is give it the helper method sort. So that way, every letter in the list will be organized from A to Z. Now the next thing we need to do is we're typing return and the verbal str set. So that way, the definition or the function will return the new and improved string set. All right, looks like we have everything set. Let's go ahead and copy all of this and the top one as well, including the module RE, which is short for regular expression. Paste it, press enter again to exit the second function. And now we're going to call the function anagram and give it 2 arguments. Let's type in doom and then give it the second argument called mood. And this time we're going to make the M capitalized. All right, it should return true. So let's go ahead and press enter. What's going on here? Why is it saying that? Let's see here. Okay, I see what the problem is. I forgot. In the helper method lower, I forgot to add the open and close parentheses. All right, so let's go ahead and copy this again, paste it inside of the Python's IDE, press enter twice, and let's go ahead and type in anagrams again. Give it 2 arguments, doom with a lowercase d and an uppercase M inside mood. All right, let's press enter. True. All right, let's test the theory if it will say it's false if the first word can't spell the second word. All right, it gave us false. Okay, let's try speed this time. Speed and deeps. True. All right. And that's it for today. Y'all have a good one.